The harmonious world of music. Music, the universal language of emotions, has the extraordinary ability to transcend cultural boundaries and connect people from all walks of life. It weaves a tapestry of sounds that evoke powerful emotions, taking listeners on a captivating journey through time and space. The evolution of music has been a testament to its enduring impact on human experiences. The power of music on emotions. Deep within the confines of our brains lies the seat of our emotions, and music has an astonishing influence on this realm. Studies have shown that certain melodies and rhythms can trigger a surge of dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter, eliciting happiness and pleasure. This phenomenon has led to the therapeutic application of music, where it is employed to heal and soothe individuals facing mental and emotional challenges. Moreover, music has the remarkable ability to evoke memories, tying specific tunes to past events and people, creating an emotional time capsule in our minds. Different genres of music. The world of music is vast and diverse, offering an array of genres to suit every taste. Pop music, with its catchy hooks and relatable lyrics, has dominated the airwaves, garnering millions of fans worldwide. In stark contrast, classical music, with its rich history and timeless compositions, continues to enchant audiences with its elegance. The pulsating energy of rock and roll has made it an enduring symbol of rebellion and freedom, while the rhythmic poetry of hip-hop and rap has become a powerful voice for social issues and self-expression. Beyond individual preferences, music plays a pivotal role in shaping cultural identities. Folk music, deeply rooted in tradition and heritage, reflects the soul of a community, carrying stories and customs across generations. Throughout history, music has been a medium for storytelling, recounting historical events, and preserving oral traditions. Moreover, music has been a driving force in social movements, uniting people under common causes and sparking change. The creative process in music. Behind every captivating melody and moving lyric lies the creative process of talented musicians and songwriters. Songwriting is a deeply personal endeavor, where artists draw inspiration from their experiences, emotions, and observations. Collaborations in the music industry foster innovative ideas and lead to groundbreaking compositions. However, navigating the path to success as a musician comes with its own set of challenges, from creative blocks to the demands of the competitive industry. The technological revolution in music. The digital age has revolutionized the way we create, consume, and share music. The advent of digitalization has made music accessible at our fingertips, enabling us to carry entire libraries of songs in our pockets. Streaming platforms have transformed the music industry, providing both opportunities and challenges for artists to reach their audiences. Social media has become a powerful tool for musicians to engage with fans and build a dedicated following. Music and well-being. The therapeutic effects of music extend beyond emotional healing. Music has been widely used to alleviate stress and anxiety, creating a sense of calm and relaxation. In various settings, from workplaces to gyms, music has been found to enhance productivity and motivation. Additionally, meditative music has become a popular choice for those seeking solace and mindfulness in a chaotic world. Famous musicians and their journeys. The annals of music history are adorned with the stories of legendary musicians who have left an indelible mark on the world. Their journeys often involve tales of struggle, resilience, and unyielding passion for their craft. From the soaring vocals of opera divas to the electrifying performances of rock stars, these artists have inspired generations with their talent and dedication.